Hi everybody, it's Alistair here. I'm in the rainforest in Far North Queensland. Now, I'm no ecologist, but I thought I'd give you a little bit of a introductory guide to the rainforest here very briefly. The rainforest in Far North Queensland is the oldest rainforest on Earth. So that means that all the plants, or a lot of the plants within the rainforest, are quite toxic. They've had all this time to evolve these defense strategies, and it's a very toxic environment in terms of all its fruits. Most of us as humans can't eat a lot of the fruits that are on offer here unless we treat them by getting rid of the poisons. But something like the cassowary can eat lots and lots of these rainforest fruits and pass them through the system. And as a matter of fact, lots of the trees within the rainforest benefit from passing through the digestive tract of the cassowary. Not only does it help fertilise the seed, but it actually helps distribute them. So the cassowary is extremely vital to the rainforest. And it's been an absolute pleasure for us to witness cassowaries here on our photo safari in Far North Queensland. So if you're interested in coming along on a photo safari, you're going to learn a lot more than just how to set up your camera and take wonderful shots. You've also got the opportunity to learn about these incredible ecosystems that we go and photograph. So I hope you enjoyed that little introductory guide to the rainforest in Queensland.